So, Storm's got her 12-week injections, so we thought we'd do a little video showing Storm going to the vets and getting her injections and everything else. Don't know whether we're allowed to record in this, we'll soon find out. But otherwise, come along for the ride. Stormy, Stormy! Bye! You found it? You found it yet?
I found it. I can see it. It's so far away. Come here. This way. This way.
It's like a wormhole down there. Hello? Ma'am? Do you need some help? Meow meow. Oh, Nala's not impressed. Why are you taking my baby? Give it back to me! Meow! Come here now. Meow meow meow. What do you think, Storm? We ready? She's like, where are we? Ready, Storm? Are we ready for our drive? Yeah, I think so. Let's go. Where are you doing? Nothing else.
Black cat.
Yeah, Mum's had all the bit of stuff from whatever else, but.
Really?
Oh, baby.
So there's a choice of vaccine. The one with leukemia is actually, I think we're only good doing that one is better,
Okay.
especially if they're going to go out and about.
Yeah.
I might find that she's quite quiet
Yeah,
today.
no
because I
worries.
think the first one does affect them a little
A
bit.
bit sleepy.
Yeah. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah. Yeah, Mum will be like, oh no, they got you too. Sleepy kitty after this.
I sometimes wonder if it's just the sort of shock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
So obviously they do need to be chipped now.
Yeah.
But it's if they're being spayed, it's much nicer to chip them while they're asleep.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's bigger than, it's about 10 times
Pretty
the size
big.
of
Yeah,
this. So
yeah.
always, yeah, it doesn't hurt them, but it always seems a shame to
Yeah.
shove a big needle in a
That's
small
it.
cat if we can avoid it.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. Matches.
Okay. There, wasn't that
Good girl.
bad?
Yeah.
Oh, she's always dreadful. Utterly dreadful. Oh, you're a bit mesmerised. Very sleepy. You've got another cat, or she's living with another
Sleepy.
I think that's just a shock of being held.
Hi, babe.
Doesn't work that quickly. Can I hypnotise her? That's alright, she's got to
That was a bit of a.
What happened though? I mean, that actually it releases, that's why the mothers do it, when you hold them by the scruff.
Yeah.
which obviously I need to because it releases endorphins.
Aww.
It's not usually that exciting.
That's weird, then she will start for you.
But she will be tired today, obviously. I think they sometimes run a bit of a temperature. Okay.
You go on in, baby. Go on.
Put you in, you usually scuttle in there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Come on through.
No worries, thank you.
Have you got manicure face?
Well, we're out. She's been injected. She's very sleepy, but upset kitty right now. What do you reckon, Storm? This way, baby. Anyway, the total fee for everything was $83.02. There we go. And we're off home. So we shall see you when we're back. This is what we're dealing with on the way home. Yeah, let's hope she doesn't escape in the meantime. You can come out now. Storm. Storm. Come on. You're home. No one's coming. What happened, Storm? Tell your mum all about it. All done. Back home. Little meowing cat. Meow meow. Bye for now.